you snore? Do you wake up tired? Does a significant other recognize you holding your breath at night or stopping breathing? It's not really holding your breath, it's involuntary.
Right.
Or now we have uh, these little finger deals that measure your pulse, called a pulse oximeter. And it measures your oxygen saturation at night. And you can plug them into your iPhone and do kind of a rudimentary home sleep study. I'm saying this because sleep studies are expensive.
What is that called?
A pulse oximeter. You can get them
Oximeter.
on Amazon.
Okay.
Pulse oximeter. And it goes on your finger. It's what they, when you go to the doc and they do your blood pressure and they put that little thing, that little clip on your finger.
Yeah.
It's a pulse oximeter.
This thing.
There it is. And they have them hook up to an iPhone so that you can get readings throughout the night. It'll tell you if your oxygen level drops down too low. If it gets down into the 80s or even 90, 91, 92,
Yeah.
you're having a hard time getting enough oxygen while you're breathing. And that's going to have a huge impact on your blood pressure and your recovery from training for that matter.
So you wear that all night long and your phone records your oxygen level.
Yep.
And you're using that to go, oh, you dipped down to 92 or below or whatever, the number that you decide.
Yeah.
And then that's going to tell you whether you need a CPAP or not.